So I asked the kids because they keep asking money. I told them pick up all the rubbish and then I'll give you money. Tara na. Very good. So we have a problem because there's no rubbish bin. So they end up just throwing it here. Oy, panghingi ng sako. So we're looking for rubbish bin to find it here. Look at this beautiful beach. They don't have rubbish bin. May sako? O sige. Meron pa? O yan. O nandoon pa o. Very good. Pwede na yan?
Plastic lang din. Wala yataran.
Kumula, hindi. Pinsanan yung plastic. Ganda sakto ito, plastic.
Mga plastic yan lahat.
Plastic yan.
Tangabo. Teo.
Plastic yan.
Plastic yan.
Plastic. Ang cleaners ng lapos-lapos.